Okay guys, hello! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, magmumukbang lang kami. We gonna eat, what are we gonna eat? We're gonna eat noodles. Pakita ko sa inyo. We have fish balls. We have wings.
Mommy, try
I make
me.
some pancit canton. Eme-eme lang. I make the sauce.
Me.
And noodles for my baby.
Mommy, no.
Okay, come here. So, tell them, what are you eating?
Ramen.
It's noodles.
Noodles.
Ramen. Yan, nanonood kami ng kanyang favorite K-pop Hunters. Yun lang guys, kain tayo.
Mommy, I'm done dancing.
Pasensya na kayo sa fishball at yung pinaglutuan ko ng baboy ang pinaglutuan ko ng baboy ang pinagluto ko rin. Kaya ganyan siya. Masarap naman. Kain tayo. Chicken wings. One more. Sarap. Sarap guys. Ano na guys? Happy eating. Bye! Bye!